Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that's been generating quite a bit of buzz, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set. If you're in the market for something that promises durability, health-conscious materials, and excellent performance, you'll want to stick around. Let's start with the core promise of this set, which is its construction and the Duralon Blue coating. Nuwave emphasizes a premium forged construction, and what this means is that the metal itself has undergone a process that makes it strong, durable, and yet, surprisingly lightweight. They describe it as a work of art where form meets function, designed to perform well for any skill level in the kitchen. This forged approach is crucial because it directly impacts how the cookware handles heat and how resilient it is to everyday wear and tear. Now, the star of the show, or rather the surface of the show, is the Healthy Duralon Blue coating. This is where Nuwave really pushes the health aspect. They claim it's an eco-friendly, ultra-non-stick coating that is free from all the nasties we've come to associate with older non-stick technologies, PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. They even go a step further to state that it does not emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which is a significant peace of mind factor for many home cooks. They've had it tested by TÜV Rheinland for 106 known PFAS elements and none were detected, which is a strong testament to their claims. This coating is their Generation 10, or G10, ceramic. Nuwave has been refining this for over a decade, and they claim Gen10 Duralon Blue is exceptional in every category. It's designed to heat fast and evenly, release food effortlessly, and be extraordinarily durable. It's important to note that they say the ceramic coating isn't non-stick, but gets pretty darn close. This distinction is important. Many ceramic coatings rely on a porous surface that is less prone to sticking than raw metal, and the quality of that surface and its texture play a huge role in its performance. A key feature they highlight is the Duralon Blue hardness. They rate it at 9H. To give you some perspective, diamond is rated at 10H, so this is exceptionally hard. This hardness translates to high resistance against abrasion, corrosion, and acids. What this means for you as a user is that your cookware is less likely to chip, discolor, and it should retain its non-stick properties for a longer period. This is a big promise, as the longevity of non-stick surfaces is often the Achilles heel of many cookware sets. Performance in the kitchen is also heavily reliant on how well the cookware distributes heat, and Nuwave addresses this with their Induction Ready and Even Heat Distribution feature. Every piece in this set is bonded and reinforced with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This is crucial for induction cooktops, ensuring compatibility and efficient energy transfer. But beyond induction, this bonding also facilitates fast, even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, and superior heat retention at any temperature. This means no more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. They've also included tempered glass lids, which allow you to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. And to complete the practical design, the handles are designed to stay cool, reducing the risk of burns during cooking. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the positive side, the health and safety focus is a major draw. Being PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium free, along with not emitting toxic gases, provide significant peace of mind. The high hardness rating of the Duralon Blue coating suggests excellent scratch and abrasion resistance, which could lead to a longer lifespan for the non-stick properties. The forged construction promises durability and a good feel in hand. The induction compatibility and emphasis on even heat distribution are vital for modern kitchens and cooking performance. And, of course, being dishwasher and oven safe adds a layer of convenience. However, there are a few things to consider. While they say the ceramic coating gets pretty darn close to chemically non-stick, it's worth managing expectations. Some users might find that it doesn't release food quite as effortlessly as high-quality PTFE-based non-stick after extended use, especially with very delicate items. Also, while the G10 coating is described as durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it will require proper care to maintain its performance over time. Using metal utensils, even if the coating is hard, can still lead to premature wear. The term, healthy Duralon Blue, is also a bit of marketing language, but the absence of specific harmful chemicals is a concrete benefit. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set presents a compelling option for those prioritizing health and durability in their kitchen. The forged construction, combined with a hard, eco-friendly ceramic coating, aims to deliver long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Its induction readiness and even heat distribution are significant functional advantages. While it might not be chemically non-stick in every single scenario, its strengths in terms of health, durability, and general cooking performance make it a strong contender in the modern cookware market. Link in the description.